Looking for an adults-only escape in Puerto Vallarta that won't drain your bank account? Let's dive deep into Sunset Plaza Beach Resort, also known as Playa Sunset Puerto Vallarta, a beachfront all-inclusive property that's been making waves along the stunning Banderas Bay. This four-star resort sits in the Zona Hotel Resort area and caters exclusively to guests 18 and older, making it a haven for couples and solo travelers seeking romance, relaxation, and some serious sunset views without the chaos of screaming kids running around the pool. The property underwent major renovations in 2023, breathing new life into the rooms and common areas, and they didn't stop there, upgrading the gym with top-notch equipment in 2025. With modern Mexican styling mixed with tropical vibes, this place strikes a balance between casual comfort and upscale amenities. The resort originally opened back in the 1990s as a standard beach hotel, but transformed into an all-inclusive paradise in 2010 under new management. Since then, it's been steadily building a reputation as one of the better value plays in Puerto Vallarta's competitive hotel scene. Guest ratings hover around 8.2 out of 10 on major booking platforms, with particular praise going to the location, the beach access, and the overall bang for your buck. Critics do point out some inconsistencies with service and occasional Wi-Fi headaches, but we'll get into all that as we explore what makes this resort tick and whether it deserves a spot on your travel shortlist. The accommodation situation at Sunset Plaza Beach Resort offers three main categories, all of which got the renovation treatment in 2023, and the difference is noticeable according to recent guest feedback. Starting with the standard ocean view rooms, you're looking at 35 square meters of space featuring a king-sized bed, a private balcony where you can catch those famous Puerto Vallarta sunsets, and all the essentials you'd expect from a modern beach resort. These rooms come equipped with air conditioning that actually works, a minibar that gets restocked daily with beverages and snacks included in your all-inclusive package, a 40-inch flat-screen television, and in room safe for your valuables, a coffee maker for those early morning caffeine fixes. Complimentary Wi-Fi, though some guests report it can be spotty, a hairdryer, and even an iron with ironing board. The partial ocean views from these rooms still give you glimpses of the water and pool area, and they can accommodate up to 3 people if you add a rollaway bed. The real star here is that balcony, perfect for morning coffee or evening cocktails while watching the sky turn shades of orange and pink. Moving up the ladder, the junior suites expand to 45 square meters and separate the sleeping area from a cozy living space, making them ideal for couples who want a bit more room to spread out. These suites keep all the amenities from the standard rooms, but add some luxury touches like an in-room whirlpool tub, plush bathrobes, and a premium liquor selection in the minibar. The full ocean views from these units are spectacular, giving you unobstructed vistas of Banderas Bay, and they can sleep up to 4 guests with a sofa bed. Guest photos consistently highlight the sunset views from these balconies as absolutely stunning. At the top tier, the master suites deliver 60 square meters of pure indulgence with 2 king beds, a full living and dining area, and a private rooftop terrace that offers 360-degree panoramic views. These suites come with everything the junior suites have, plus an espresso machine for coffee snobs, an iPod docking station, and private check-in service to skip the lobby lines. They can accommodate up to 5 people, making them perfect for small groups or families traveling together who still want that adults-only resort atmosphere. The official website showcases over 50 high-resolution photos and videos of these rooms, and user-uploaded images on booking sites confirm that the renovations really did modernize the spaces, though some pre-renovation photos still float around online showing the older, more dated look. When it comes to keeping your stomach happy, Sunset Plaza Beach Resort delivers 4 distinct dining venues, all included in your all-inclusive rate, which means you can eat and drink as much as you want without watching your wallet. No reservations are required for most meals, keeping things casual and stress-free, though showing up early for dinner at the specialty restaurant is smart during high season. The main hub is El Marx, the buffet-style restaurant that serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner from 7 in the morning until 11 at night. This place seats about 400 people and offers a rotating selection of international dishes alongside authentic Mexican favorites. Expect to find fresh seafood buffets with shrimp, fish, and octopus, tacos al pastor that rival street vendors, grilled meats cooked to order, extensive salad bars, and dessert stations that'll tempt you even when you're stuffed. They host themed nights throughout the week, with Mexican Night on Wednesdays being particularly popular, featuring traditional dishes and sometimes live mariachi music. Guest photos show vibrant spreads of fresh ceviche, colorful salads, and impressive carving stations, though some longer-term guests mention the menu can feel repetitive after 5 or 6 days. For a more laid-back beach vibe, La Brisa serves as the casual seafood grill right on the sand, open from noon to 10 at night and seating about 150 people. Here you can dig your toes in the sand while munching on fresh lobster, fish tacos that locals would approve of, burgers, and grilled specialties. They host beach barbecues every Friday that draw crowds for the festive atmosphere and extra special grilled items. The setting is absolutely unbeatable, with waves lapping nearby and servers bringing drinks right to your beach chair. When you're craving something more refined, Il Forno handles the Italian duties with romantic ambience and a focus on classic preparations. Open for dinner from 6 to 10, this 80-seat restaurant requires no reservations, but filling up quickly means arriving early is wise. The menu features house-made pasta, wood-fired pizzas that guest reviews consistently praise, and desserts like tiramisu that provide a sweet ending to your meal. The cozy atmosphere makes it perfect for anniversary dinners or special occasions. Finally, the Sky Bar operates as the rooftop lounge and party central, serving cocktails and tapas from 4 in the afternoon until 2 in the morning. With capacity for 200 people, this spot is famous for its margaritas, fresh guacamole, and sunset happy hour specials. Live DJs spin music nightly, creating an energetic atmosphere that some guests love and others find a bit too loud if their room is nearby. The infinity bar setup with neon-lit cocktails and panoramic bay views makes for Instagram-worthy moments, and it's definitely the social heart of the resort after dark. The pool and beach situation at Sunset Plaza Beach Resort is where this property really shines and justifies its beachfront premium. 3 outdoor infinity pools spread across the property give you options depending on your mood and desired atmosphere. The main pool measures an impressive 1,200 square meters and ranges from 1.2 to 1.5 meters deep, featuring a swim-up bar where you can order drinks without leaving the water. This pool gets the most action during the day, with guests lounging on the surrounding deck chairs, playing pool volleyball, and socializing in the shallow areas. The adults-only pool offers a quieter alternative at 800 square meters, designated for guests seeking a more tranquil swimming experience without the party atmosphere. Up top, the rooftop pool spans 400 square meters and provides the most spectacular views, especially during sunset when everyone seems to migrate there with cocktails in hand. All 3 pools are heated year-round, making them comfortable even during the cooler winter evenings, and they operate from 8 in the morning until 11 at night. Pool waiters circulate constantly, taking drink orders and bringing snacks, so you never have to leave your lounger if you don't want to. Fresh towels are readily available at towel stations near each pool, and the resort provides plenty of loungers, though arriving early during high season ensures you snag a prime spot. The beach access is where Sunset Plaza really separates itself from city hotels and properties, without direct ocean frontage. 300 meters of private golden sand beach stretches in front of the resort, giving guests exclusive access to this beautiful stretch of Banderas Bay. The beach features complimentary kayaks and paddleboards for guests who want to explore the calm bay waters, while snorkel gear and paddle boats are available to rent for about $20 per hour. Beach waiters work this area just like the pools, bringing drinks and snacks right to your beach chair or cabana. The water here is generally calm and swimmable, though always check with staff about current conditions. Several guests mention the beach as a highlight in their reviews, particularly praising the cleanliness and the stunning sunset views you get while sitting on the sand with a margarita. The resort conducts weekly beach cleanups as part of their sustainability efforts, keeping the sand pristine and free of debris. Cabana service is available for guests wanting shade and extra privacy, though these can fill up quickly during peak season. Activities at Sunset Plaza Beach Resort go beyond just lying by the pool, though let's be honest, that's a perfectly acceptable way to spend your vacation. The fitness center received a major upgrade in 2025 with new Technogym equipment, giving workout enthusiasts access to modern cardio machines, free weights, yoga mats, and enough space to actually move around comfortably. The gym operates from 6 in the morning until 10 at night, and they offer group classes throughout the week including Zumba, spinning, and beach yoga. Personal training sessions are available for $50 per hour if you want customized workouts or instruction on proper form. Many guests appreciate having a legitimate fitness option rather than the token gym with 2 broken treadmills you find at some all-inclusive resorts. Water sports enthusiasts will find plenty to keep busy with the complimentary kayaks and paddleboards mentioned earlier. Plus, the resort organizes excursions for activities like whale watching during the December to March season for about $80 per person. Snorkeling trips to nearby reefs, surfing lessons in Sayulita, and deep-sea fishing charters can all be arranged through the concierge desk. The entertainment team keeps things lively with nightly shows and activities that range from foam parties on Saturdays to fire shows on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Live music and DJ performances happen every evening at the Sky Bar, creating a party atmosphere that extends well past midnight for night owls. Some guests love this constant activity and social vibe, while others mention it can feel a bit too spring breakish at times, especially during Mexican holiday weeks when the resort fills with younger crowds. Daytime activities include pool games, beach volleyball, Spanish lessons, tequila tastings, and cooking demonstrations where you can learn to make authentic Mexican dishes. The activity staff works hard to engage guests, though participation is always optional if you prefer a more low-key vacation. The spa and wellness facilities at Sunset Plaza Beach Resort offer a proper escape for guests seeking relaxation and pampering beyond the beach and pool scene. The spa incorporates traditional Mexican healing practices alongside standard massage and facial treatments, with their signature offering being the Temazcal ritual, an ancient indigenous sweat lodge ceremony meant to purify body and spirit. For those preferring more conventional treatments, the hot stone massage runs about $120 for 50 minutes and consistently receives positive mentions in guest reviews. Swedish massage, deep tissue work, aromatherapy sessions, and various facial treatments round out the menu, with prices generally ranging from $80 to $200 depending on the treatment length and complexity. The spa facilities themselves include 2 saunas, a steam room, a hydrotherapy pool with jets positioned to massage different body areas, and a relaxation lounge where you can decompress before or after treatments. The atmosphere aims for tranquil and zen, with soft music, dim lighting, and that distinctive spa scent that immediately makes you feel calmer. Operating hours run from 9 in the morning until 8 at night, and booking ahead is strongly recommended, either through the resort app or by speaking with the concierge. You can book treatments for any day of your stay, though many guests recommend scheduling spa time for mid-vacation once you've already started unwinding. The wellness program extends beyond the spa with complimentary yoga classes offered several mornings per week on the beach, providing a peaceful start to your day with the sound of waves and the sunrise as your backdrop. Some guests mention the spa prices are reasonable compared to resort spas at higher-end properties, making treatments more accessible for travelers on moderate budgets. The staff receives consistent praise for their professionalism and skill, with many reviewers specifically calling out their massage therapists by name. One minor complaint that pops up occasionally is that the spa can book up quickly during high season, so planning ahead is crucial if you have your heart set on specific treatments or times. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.